Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how to stop App Store to keep asking for password. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution number 1. Disable required password for downloading app. For that, first launch settings, then tap screen time and tap content and privacy restrictions. Now we have to tap on iTunes and App Store purchases and select don't required if is always required is selected. Now we go for solution number 2. Use Face ID or Touch ID for downloading apps from App Store. You have to use Face ID or Touch ID instead of password for downloading app from App Store. For that, first we have to go to settings, then tap Face ID or Touch ID, put iPhone passcode. Now turn on iTunes and App Store and also turn on password autofill. Now you can download and install app using Face ID or Touch ID. Solution number 3. Turn off and turn on iPhone. For that, first launch settings, tap General and tap Shutdown. Drag the slider to power off, wait for a couple of minutes, then turn on back. Now we go for solution number 4. Refresh Face ID or Touch ID for App Store purchases. For that, first we have to go to settings, then tap Touch ID or Face ID, put iPhone passcode and turn off iTunes and App Store and also turn off password autofill. Now tap on finger or Face ID and delete your fingerprint or Face ID. Now force close setting app and also force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. And after the force restart, same go back to settings, Face ID or Touch ID, put iPhone passcode and enable iTunes and App Store and also enable password autofill and add your finger or Face ID. Now we go for solution number 5. Reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. To reset all settings in iPhone, go to settings, tap on General and tap Reset and tap Reset all settings, put iPhone passcode and tap again Reset all settings in pop-up window to confirm your action. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.